Buying Iraqi Dinar. Purchasing Iraqi Dinar IQD can be done through currency exchange services, banks, and online dealers. However, it's important to be aware of potential risks, exchange rates, and authenticity concerns before making a purchase. Here's a detailed guide to help you buy Iraqi Dinar safely and efficiently. 1. Where to buy Iraqi Dinar. There are several ways to purchase Iraqi Dinar, including A. Local currency exchange services. Many major cities have currency exchange businesses that offer Iraqi Dinar. Before visiting, call ahead to confirm availability. Compare exchange rates from different locations. Ensure they provide authentic banknotes with proper security features. B. Banks and financial institutions. Some banks may offer foreign currency exchange, but Iraqi Dinar is considered an exotic currency, meaning many banks do not keep it in stock. Check with international banks that deal with foreign currency, specialized forex branches within large banking networks. C. Online currency exchange dealers. Numerous online platforms specialize in foreign currency sales, offering home delivery or in-person pickup. When choosing an online dealer, verify if they are legitimate and well-reviewed. Ensure they provide secure transactions and insured shipping. Avoid deals that seem too good to be true, as counterfeit currency is a common issue. 2. Checking the exchange rate. Iraqi dinar exchange rates fluctuate based on global market conditions and Iraq's monetary policies. Compare rates from multiple sources to get the best deal. Be cautious of sellers offering unrealistic or inflated exchange rates. 3. Understanding the risks. Before purchasing, consider these important factors. Investment risk. The Iraqi dinar is not a stable investment and is subject to currency fluctuations, scams, and counterfeit notes. Only buy from reputable dealers to avoid fake banknotes. Limited exchangeability. Many banks do not accept dinar for exchange, making it difficult to convert back to major currencies. 4. Authenticity and security features. To ensure your dinar is real, check for security threads and watermarks embedded in the note, raised printing on official banknotes, UV light verification to detect hidden security marks. 5. Payment and fees. When buying Iraqi dinar, some exchange services charge a service fee or commission. Online orders may include shipping and insurance fees. Avoid paying via unsecured methods and always use a trusted payment platform. 6. Storing your Iraqi dinar. Once purchased, store your currency securely. Use a fireproof safe at home. Keep it in original, untampered condition to maintain value. Avoid folding or damaging the banknotes. 7. Selling or exchanging Iraqi dinar. If you plan to sell or exchange dinar in the future, check whether local banks or exchange services accept Iraqi dinar. Online dealers may offer buyback programs. Be prepared for fluctuating exchange rates, which could affect the resale value. Buying Iraqi dinar can be straightforward if done through reputable sources. Always verify the authenticity, exchange rates, and associated risks before making a purchase. Whether buying as a collector or investor, ensure you have a plan for secure storage and future conversion options.